Hello friends, Marcy here, and I'm so happy that you could join me to explore the new journaling kit or Bible study devotional for knowing Jesus. And this is from ByTheWell4God. I've shared them on my channel before, but it's been a while. I know while I unwrap this, I'll talk. But let's just appreciate the wrapping and the care that goes into the presentation of this. So amazing. And on the outside of the mailing package, it was prayerfully wrapped and packaged by Lori with a Bible verse, 2 Corinthians 4, 7 to 12. I actually met Lori and her husband in April, and I'll continue talking while we're doing this. Okay, we have some goodies, which, oh, I have a tear. I do like to save my wrapping because I can use it in my journaling and scrapbooking. Here's an example of, I did some Mod Podge and put some of the tissue paper from a previous order on the outside of one of my standard notebook journals. And then also you can just have fun and create, exterior of journals with the materials you receive in these fun little kits. That being said, I want to get into this, and look at the coordination here. I just love it. Lori's so amazing. Back to my story. They used to be located in Washington State, and I would order from them when they had their little monthly journaling devotional Bible study kits. And then last year in 2025, she had like a vacation, a hiatus from producing kits because they were moving. And they ended up moving to Texas, and they're less than 30 miles from me right now. So that's how I was able to meet them in April, because I had placed an order and I was actually able to, instead of having it shipped, just go by and pick it up the very next day. These are cute stamps, decor, cactus. So you see the great theme on some little journaling card tip-ins. Love the size of these. Actually, I'll show the front and then turn them backside, upside down. So pretty. But she and her husband and I talked for like 2 hours. They're such amazing people. Because your steadfast love is better than life, my lips will praise you. Psalm 63:3. And this is like the paper clip and the fabric that is used. It's actually not tied, and that's probably to help in packaging, help the lump. Because let me show you some of the fabrics can get bulky. I have some from other orders. Let me grab one. Okay, so here's some. There's a knot tied, and so that creates some bulk for the packaging. And if they're mailing it, shipping it out in an envelope, you want to just decrease as much as those little lumps and bumps as possible. So that being said, I do want to put this aside and get into the kit. But in her card, she personalized it with my name and the name Knowing Jesus, XOXO, Lori. So if you are interested, you can follow them on Instagram, Facebook, and then have their sign up for email and get your notifications when the products become available. Because I will tell you, they do sell out quickly. I'm not even sure today if this one is still available. So they're amazing products. Small business, so they only create so many at a time. And if you see something you like, just go ahead and try to get it, because it will not last long. It's just amazing that they ended up right as my neighbors here in Texas. Short drive. I actually went after school one afternoon to visit them, and it was so amazing. Such a wonderful, blessed visit. And here we go. Muslin bag that's decorated on the front cover with Knowing Jesus, the title of the devotional study for this month. And I was looking back on my channel. I was looking back at some of the videos I had posted. Like the very first one I purchased from them was called A Heart at Rest, I think. And it was in October of 2019 when I first started using their products. So, wow, it's been almost 7 years already. Okay, I'm going to come back to this in a moment. I'm chit-chatting. Oh, here we go. Look, here's the clips, bow tied already, ready to go. If you knew the gift of God and who it is that is saying to you, give me a drink, you would have asked him and he would have given you living water. John 4:10. So this first little part is not part of the kit. It is not advertised on the website or in the sale. That is just a freebie because she loves you so much. There are some additional freebies that I'll tell you about in a minute after we get through. So these are some die cut ephemera. Here is a picture of all the ones included. I won't spend too much time on each one, but I do want to show you the detail and beauty and quality here. It's quite a few. Quality and quantity. Here we go. Let's go real quick. Gorgeous. So it's just amazing. And while I was speaking to Lori and her husband, they were telling me about someone they met after they came here, was actually going to be working with their team, but found out that they had moved from, I believe it was Chicago. I may be wrong on that. But they were like one of the first ones to be working on the set of The Chosen. As you know, The Chosen is also filmed at a location near me in the same town that ByTheWell4God has relocated to. So God's blessing us all over the place. All right, and this stamp set came, Knowing Jesus. The glare isn't too much. I'm going to take it out of this package just because of the glare. If I turn the lights off, it's not as bright. So we have Knowing Jesus, and the stamps are clear, so you need your clear block to use them. But I'm going to use this because it's easier to see. Knowing Jesus, he draws us in. That looks like a little wax stamp when you do your wax on your envelope. The surpassing worth of knowing Christ, that I may know him. God draws us in. Fellowship with his sufferings, and there is simply no comparison. Those are amazing. Actually, there's more on here that weren't even included, but I don't want to get that glare in there. Sorry about your eyes. Let's see. No condemnation, bread from heaven, living water, a meaningful relationship. He is enough. Bear fruit. Jesus understands. Abide in him. Fellowship. Oh, we did that one. And his perfect sympathy. Goodness, that is quite the stamp set. I enjoy using their stamps. And of course, I see evidence of Texas heat. So the kit did include Daniel Smith watercolor paints, and it's on a dot card. You just use your brush, add your wet brush to pick up some of the color, and you can use these gorgeous colors that complement the products in your journaling kit. This is a sticker, Knowing Jesus. It's not clear. It's on a white background. Bookmarks. Psalm 46, 1. And the back is, oh no, I was going to say the back is clear, but the back is lined, so you can use these as tip-ins in your Bibles or journals for taking extra notes. John 6:44. Again, you can take notes. And John 6:34. So this is, it's not really a matte. It's got a slight sheen to it, not too shiny glossy. So we have a page of stickers, and some washi strips, some cactus floral, cacti, different of the whole variety, some numbers, and alphabet stickers. So all this can be used to decorate in your journal. This is a Bible study devotional. And it is 14 days. So you work day by day in the devotionals. You can take notes. You can add tip-ins right into this journal. You can add these and take extra notes and add them to your journal. You can keep notes in a separate journal, but just use this as your follow along. Anyway, all of this, all these wonderful products that I've shown you, plus this is the only extra that I printed. You get digitals to print. And I did print a set of, look at that gorgeous color, a set of the bookmarks, an extra set. And this also came with some of the sticker or ephemera designs. Now I do have sticker paper that I use when I print pages like this, but I didn't want to print the bookmarks on the sticker paper. So that's that. Let me show you real quick. I'm going to see if I can share this with you without too much glare. So on the website, after you purchase it, you get the digitals in your account. So here are the QR codes for Bible study. And then let's see. So here is one page of the extras that you can print on paper or sticker paper if you wish, or even vellum. Use as tip-ins. Page 2, page 3, gorgeous. Page 4, this is the one I did print. And page 5, you get extra alphabet, numbers, and the floral, cactus floral designs. So that's quite a bargain. It's always been quality products, and I encourage you, if you're interested, to look quickly because they do sell out quickly. All right, thank you for spending some of your precious moments with me and enjoying this wonderful new devotional Bible study that I will be enjoying. Talk to you later. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.